I'm gonna start this one with a trigger warning because what Cassie just revealed in court is heavy, not just for you and I, but it was also for the jury as well. She says in 2023, this is years after her relationship with Diddy ended. She's married to Alex Pine. She now has 2 kids. She started having flashbacks to all of the trauma and abuse that she says she endured, and she says she can no longer take it. So one day she's at home with her kids and her husband, and she asks him, "Can you do this without me?" He said, quote, "I couldn't take the pain." So she decided that she wanted to walk out of the front door and walk into traffic. And she says the only reason she didn't do it is because her husband stalked her. He broke down as she's telling this story, and Diddy is sitting diagonally across from her, his kids behind him. That incident prompted her to go to rehab. She said she was coming off of Valium because she was taking so much because her anxiety had gotten really bad. Says the rehab was more trauma therapy, and there she started to unpack all the things that she had experienced over the last decade. She put pen to paper and started writing and writing, she says, until she had a book. I'm gonna read some of my notes for you guys so you can hear her words. She said, "I really wanted Sean to read it to understand. I don't think he understood." She said, "I was begging for sorries, and I wanted him to understand the pain he put me through." And she goes on to say that she took too much responsibility for the freak-offs, that she would do absolutely anything for him, but that anything never stopped. At this point, she is fully crying. Her face collapses into her hand. According to her testimony, she sends Diddy the book through his assistant, courtroom. But she says they didn't take her seriously. They didn't think she would do something like that. So then she had her attorney reach out to his attorney. She also offered him the chance to buy the book rights for $30 million. Why $30 million? She says she doesn't know. She came up with a number that she felt would alert him, but he said no. She never received any money, and she also says she doesn't know if he even read the book. After that, she filed her bombshell lawsuit in November of 2023, which she settled in less than 24 hours for an undisclosed amount. But today, she revealed that amount. She says she settled for $20 million. That lawsuit sparked this criminal investigation. When prosecutors asked her today, "Why are you testifying in this case?" she said that she can't carry this anymore. The shame, the guilt, the way she was guided to treat people like they were disposable. She said what's right is right and what's wrong is wrong, that she wants to do the right thing. After she was done testifying, I saw a female juror turn to a male juror and mouth, "It's hard to hear," and he nodded in agreement. She then started wiping away tears. There were also a lot of jurors with their hands over their mouths, intently listening.